Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. So yeah, if you can tell by this nail art, all this footage you're seeing is actually over a year old. Yeah, I made a nail art tutorial inspired by the Kansas City Chiefs as well as the San Francisco 49ers during the Super Bowl, but I didn't think anybody would actually watch it, so I ended up deleting all the footage, and here I'm just showing you that Wingstop actually spelled my name right. Yeah, it's a pet peeve of mine. People constantly misspell my name. I thought I had a simple name, Jamie, but I guess not. Anyways, some bone-in wings. That's actually, yeah, I washed my hands like 2 or 3 times, but you know, the wings get a little messy. Y'all don't care about any of this. You actually clicked on this video because, yeah, as you see here, I got this super cool, like, limited edition Lord of the Rings Magic the Gathering collab cards. So, I've always liked Magic the Gathering. Let's see, it was like back when Hastings was still a thing, so this was like prior, like 2011, 2012. I used to go up there at the little coffee place they used to have and mainly read comic books, but I know there was like this little section that they had off for people that like to play like Dungeons and Dragons, Magic the Gathering. Yeah, so it wasn't until 2023 that I started collecting my own cards here. Oh, by the way, that's just my cat Bigotes. He thought I had treats or something, but I'm just, yeah, just unboxing. I was really trying not to destroy this box, but if you ever had to open one, you know it's really hard. But yeah, like I said, this is footage from last year, around February 2024. Basically, what I was trying to do was try to preserve the box as best I could, because maybe in the future I'll resell it, but, you know, who knows? This is me we're talking about here. I'm a major Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit fan, so yeah, when I saw that there was like a little collab, I had to buy the kit. And like I said, I don't like to just go through here and just tear up the cards and whatever, because you know, like, you can resell them or trade them, get some of that moolah. So yeah, in today's video, basically, I'm just gonna show you all the cards I got in like this one cool little kit. By the way, I'm sorry if I sound like a little bit congested. It snowed in Texas. We're not used to the snow, at least for the part of Texas I live in. So yeah, I'm a bit under the weather, like I said. Hopefully I don't sound super congested and whatnot. But, ooh, I love the way Magic the Gathering cards look. But yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna show you every card I got. Just, my cat is so cute. I love him to death. So sadly, nothing of Liliana Vess and or Legolas, but ooh, look at all my cards. They're so cool. It's a weird combination though. NFL nail art, Magic the Gathering cards. I don't know. I don't know nothing about football. I don't like the sport. But anyways, here I'm just showing you like the holographic cards compared to like the just regular, you know, plain Janes. So, if you haven't watched my last video, I did quit my retail job, but I'm still like in cahoots with a few people that still like work up there that, like, you know, I guess you say we were friends, like we were cool with each other. But yeah, they invited me to like this little tournament, whatnot. I don't know why. I asked them to visit like that South Park episode and they tripped out. They're like, oh yeah, no, totally, like, that's actually how Magic the Gathering, like, events go down. So yeah, I would say it definitely worth the investment, and yeah. Let me know what you think of like all my fancy Lord of the Ring Magic the Gathering cards. Yeah, guys, like I said, I'm a noob when it comes to all this, and if you're like an OG player or you have any like suggestions, tips, and tricks, please let me know because I really do want to get super invested into it. Like I said, I did like watching the tournaments and Hastings and whatnot in the Southwark episode. I thought was hilarious, but yeah, I'm a noob. I would like to learn some more. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Oh my gosh, this box looks so cool. Let me know what you thought of like my little collection, and thanks for watching.